If you're new to the channel, what's up? Previously on JSAVTOONICE. Video is a raw and uncut vlog.
That ball broke my mirror.
First thing I hear about Kevin is on.
Uh-oh, no!
I heard you
ass up with your fist lips going. Bro, what?
Say it like a man, bro. John like a man, though. I want to slap you, dumbass, gonna be wrong, bro.
boy, you got some fucking lead pistol shoes. You make it on me, dog? I'ma just get back on you.
Oh, yeah!
It would be cool, brother. You want me to get on you, bro?
Oh no! Hold on, JP, you don't like pussy with him. I'm guessing you don't like him, huh?
Tell us about that guy that burned you, man. Look Cal like that. Cal like that.
Boy, say something about me, son. Say it towards me, son.
Ooh, no.
Every female that I was with wanted dick, and you can't satisfy.
No.
Once my dick go inside their mouth, I bet you they fall in love.
Mama, guess what? You and Dad, let's go. I've been holding it since they put the dome over the town.
You can wait. A lot of people worked really hard on this film, and all they ask is for you to memorize their names.
JSAVTOONICE just dropped another banger.
It's JSAVTOONICE. Oh, damn, turn me up then. Damn, this is my first video of 2021. You know I gotta come raw. See it with me, raw, thumb, what up? What's up, T7? It's your boy, JSAVTOONICE. Thanks for this video. Anyway, y'all, welcome back to the video. My name is JSAVTOONICE. I'm the host for this channel. I do pranks, sounds, vlogs, reactions. I do everything in the book, man, real talk. So look, bro, I need you to smash that like button, bro. Get this to at least 20 to 30 likes, bro. I need 30 likes. I need 30 likes on this video, bro. I need at least 30, bro. Come on, man. This is a raw and uncut vlog. You know what these likes and comments do? Let me explain it to y'all real fast. These likes and comments will help me get into the YouTube system. Get into the YouTube system, more people gonna see my channel. More people gonna see my channel, I'm gonna blow the fuck up. I ain't gonna forget about who commented and who liked my video. So do that for me right now. What up? Anyway, bro, today's video, choo, it's a raw and uncut vlog. And all I'm gonna say is, bro, they didn't disappoint me, bro. They didn't disappoint me, bro. This video is that jokes, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the fellas. But I'm tired of talking to y'all. Let me get straight to the video. Make sure you smash the like button, bro. Get this to at least 30 likes. I need 30 likes, bro. This is a raw and uncut vlog. And share with all you people too, cause I'm raw. Say it with me, raw, thumb. And hit the subscribe button notification bell to join Team Savage. Why are you not a part of it, bro? We're gonna run 2K subscribers. Look at that ASAP Pronto. And y'all just sit back, eat your little butter popcorn, and enjoy the video. Turn me up. What up? Ooh. You got feisty in this one. That's all I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see y'all later. Woo, woo, woo.
Tell the DJ play my song and you know it's gonna be on there. Tell her hit it. Bow, 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 bow. I done turn up.
BP, why do you make yourself a target, bro? I'm on everybody's shit today, bro. I'm not sparing nobody, bro. You dressed in all black, my brother. I call you to do a video, bro. Not to hit a lick, my brother. You look like a little black cat on the firework box, my brother. I'm sorry, bro. You about to hit a lick? I'm thinking you about to hit a lick in my house, shit. You about to smell my mama pancake mix or some shit? What the hell? Syrup can neck on your shit, bro. All you missing is the black Air Force Ones, and you'll be really dangerous. Lord have mercy. You don't hurt them bees, eh? Where the fuck you was, my nigga? Look like you just waking up.
I didn't need to take shit in, bro. Y'all cool for somebody else. One of my niggas said, keep going, don't give up. You hear him?
All I want Santa Claus is 2 fat bitches and a bag of weed and 2 bags of chips to get her to the fat bitches.
What you recall my you trying to run my you in the motherfucking piece here.
Not the DiGiorno, huh?
Hey, how you know that's DiGiorno?
Yeah, cause I know my pizzas, bro. Yeah, what up? Fuck around waiting on you, son. You that partying in clubs and you wanna come by me and start coughing. Don't start coughing on me.
I know y'all fucking miss me them last videos.
Yeah.
What the fuck, boy, you sick?
Bro.
Oh, no, what the fuck, bro?
Let me tell you what happened. I get a call New Year's Day, 3 o'clock in the morning, nigga talking about JSAV, BP passed out in the corner of the club. I'm like, yeah, tripping.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog.
So what the fuck going on, sir? Let me know. Play the clip, man. Play the clip right now.
I got the balls, you know. What? Hold up.
So it's
Yeah, they call you.
yeah. Explain that to me, bro.
I was out there, my brother. Shit.
You can't hold your liquor, my brother. You good?
I had you hoes on me that day, though.
Look, you all sore talking about you had them hoes on you. Them hoes got you where you at right now.
And I'm telling you now, I'm getting on everybody's ass, you heard?
No, not everybody.
Everybody ass, man. Y'all niggas was getting on me down bad for that.
So you getting on me too, bro?
Man, you gotta get it too. I got
Man, you stupid bitch.
I'm back on your shit, son. Yeah, you got a horse kissing on the cheek. Club with no mask on, chirping. You wanna come by me and start coughing? Don't come by me and start coughing with that shit, my nigga.
Bitch, I'm negative. What you mean?
You what? You negative. You all horse and shit. You got something.
My nigga,
Stuck out on them Subway surfers, huh? I mean that.
I know we not fucking talking.
No. Yeah, get on me, B. I want you to.
Jackie to say something. Same color as your car.
Welcome to 2021. Give yourself a round of applause. We made it to 2021. Clap, bitch.
Oh, I'm gonna flick you. Gonna flick you straight. That's some disrespectful shit.
Now listen, fellas.
Trying to put us in the cross already. It's 2021.
Chill out.
Man, that nigga can flick your titty, man.
Chill out.
It's 2021.
What about my people?
Man, what up, man? What up?
Now listen, man. We gotta step this up, fellas. You know what I'm saying? We gotta come harder than we did last year.
Bruh, shut your bitch ass up.
I wanted to hit him with it too. I'm about to say, chill, some shit. It's a new year.
Yeah.
Say what you gotta see, my nigga.
I'm not gonna see it right now, son, cause we got some other shit to take care of. But anyway, we gotta come raw than we did last year, my brother. So, you know, whoever get the MVP today, I got a little grand prize for.
Wedding cake jacket. I'm on you.
Oh.
Now you see, son, I was gonna spare your little Omarion looking ass. I got this ice box where my heart used to be. But clearly, bro, it's 2021, bro, so I'm not sparing nobody, bro. So I'm on your shit now, boy. Tadpole feet, I'm on your shit, boy. Iguana feet, boy, I'm on your shit, boy. Ninja Turtle feet, boy, I'm on your shit, boy. You look like a gerbil with a mustache, I'm on your shit, boy. Hold up, boy, you hear that? Squicker feet, boy, I'm on your shit, boy.
Now, hey.
It's that boy got a Burger King chain.
Hold on.
Burger King chain.
Chill out.
You can't really fuck. I'm on your shit, man.
Chill out.
I am on your shit, man.
You say you was about to rob everybody out?
You got some tough secrets. Don't
Relax.
Don't do it.
Relax.
Put the clip right up.
Relax. Hey, relax. I'm coming right back. Relax.
Pepperoni.
Oh!
5-car truck jacket.
Be on it today.
Dang!
Be on the
No!
Be on it
So
today.
y'all ready? Y'all ready to go pop it off?
Shoo, I like that.
You already know you don't want to go. You know, I'm not even worrying about you with them goddamn train tracks in your mouth. You already know you ain't ready. You quiet?
Flint Water 13.
I'm going to John Cat with that expensive ass watch.
I'm gonna buy you one too.
He talking.
My brother, a Cinnamon Toast Crunch only costs like $4, bro. I can go get that too.
That's just the point. I don't really even eat cereal like this. So why you even talk about cereal?
That's where you got that watch from.
I got that watch from out the mall. Like I just told you, I'm gonna bring you with me get one.
Yeah.
Shoo,
Buy you one too.
not the
Want
boss
cereal?
moves.
Get you that too.
Huh?
Stop playing.
Say, man. Yeah, something to say, man. What up?
Man, it's cold, man.
Come on, man. The camera on, now.
I'm cool, bro. That shit fuck me.
Hey,
up.
everybody,
Sit your ass down.
get that.
Well, put the camera, zoom in on his jeans.
I like the jeans.
I like the jeans.
Box jeans, where you going? Jeans never get wrinkled.
Stand up, think I'm right now. Hey, man, hold up. So he can take them off and stand them up like that.
Hey, man, they been trying to get on this last video.
How y'all been trying to get on this last video? That dude, man. Don't start me, son. Don't start me.
That nigga wanna talk just look, just sad. He wanna talk just sad.
Call Perk, man. That's
That nigga on you shut up and be quiet. Hold on.
he said trippy Perk.
I'm about to get on you, Perk. I'm about to get on
He wear them red shorts every week, and he wear blue this week.
This is that wanna talk with that goddamn speed bump in the middle of his chin.
No!
No, you want to talk when the speed bump.
You got a speed bump on your lip.
Hey, this nigga like trying to talk about my little problem that I had since I was born. Son, what's wrong with you?
Son, what's
wrong with you, son? You like that?
No.
We Johnny. It don't matter, we Johnny. That's what it is.
But what I'm saying is, I'm not even complaining about it. Hold on, wait. Let me ask you. I'm thinking on the black Christmas tree. Hold on. Hello. Hold on, you want to walk? Don't walk away. Don't walk away. Hell, he trying to help you talk about my jeans and goddamn shorts he got going on.
Man, get on that, man. Crispy chicken shorts.
Oh, no.
What? I know BP not fucking John. I know BP.
I know not.
Hey, you at G?
I know that.
You know you turn the party up.
I know not.
Turn the party up, man. Turn the party up.
Oh, all right.
You and G. Fuck that, man. Hey, man. Look, I was even talking about you in the last video, man. Everybody right there said something about you, man. Get on everybody, man. I'm sitting there telling you I said something. I'm gonna keep it G. Look, G, I'm sitting there. Them niggas scared. That's what it is. Them niggas scared. I'm telling you, I got them niggas shook when I come. No, not shook. I'm telling you I said something. You see in the video I said something.
Yeah.
If them niggas that's telling you they ain't said nothing, I said
I'm
something.
telling you, G, look. I said G never came, so guess what? We getting on G.
So who said he started it off?
Everybody got him. So who said because G never came, get on him? Who said that? Me, nigga. Who said that? Me, nigga.
He ain't lying.
He joined my haircut, but it looked like he been chopping trees with the fucking teeth all his life. BP, come here, I'm on BP.
Oh, no, not BP. Turn me up.
Everybody.
Oh.
Zoom in on them fucking shoes, them question mark ass shoes. You don't know where he got them shoes from. You on them shoes.
No.
And you better get him. Save him for last. Save him for last. Save him for last. Save him for last. Save him for last, because you got to get on him no more, because he started it off. Oh, yeah. Because he started it
I'm
off.
trying to put us in the cross, but look, I'm ready for whatever, you know me. Yeah, and I ain't like how y'all was getting on my ball either, though. I don't like that. Y'all was jumping.
Yeah, because last
I'm about to get on these shoes again. You want to watch this time?
This nigga like trying to hide that hair he is, son.
My head not
That
bad.
nigga like trying to hide that hair he is.
My head not bad. It's cold.
Nigga BP hair look better than yours.
Boy, take that beat off. Take that beat off. I think you want to with that beat.
I like trying to get on my shit. Y'all already know I don't give a fuck about how my hair looks. What's up?
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that? Ah!
Give a fuck. Get in there. Get in there. Whoa. Hey, I gotta cut my hair. Like I said, my birthday in a few weeks. I gotta cut my shit. So what's up? So what's up?
Look, if we take your beanie off too, you ain't slick.
So what's up? Like I said, y'all already know I don't give a fuck about how my hair looks.
What's trying to
I leave my fucking photo every so long.
I got the skin back from here on fucking bird nest that fucking. Let me see that. Let us see that shit off so I can start joining your fucking head, man. Take that off, son.
Don't make me get on your shit.
No. No. I like that.
Get on this shit. Get on this shit.
I'ma smash your beat, don't do that, B. I'ma end your beat, don't do that.
Aluminum fall pans.
Hold up, LeBron. Why you getting so fucking loud right now?
Don't come for me, Bob. Don't come for me, Bob.
I'm about that. Come see me.
Don't come for me. Don't come for me.
Shoot! Because he got some new fucking slippers. Shoot! New slippers. Shoot!
Pocket bread feet.
Shoot!
Yeah, you don't want that.
Camera, give him back the camera. Yeah, what up? It's like he combed his beard with a fucking fork. Look at that free shit.
Hey, look. Look, his fucking ears. Baby ears are on your shit, dog. Yeah, don't stop playing.
Man, hold up. Man, what the fuck you doing?
Got that fucking fork.
I'm about to expose this bitch. Oh, no. Hey, come on, man. You was on the phone with your mom while you there? And it ain't important.
No!
Unless it's your mama.
Hey, so talk about. So don't just be tracking my cars like that or something. Like that old whole ass nigga. That what a real nigga do though.
No!
Wowzers.
I know not to.
You in the last video. What's your edit?
What the fuck, man?
Wait.
That nigga not even ratting on nothing that's true. It's the rat.
The only person right there that never said nothing about you was the man holding the camera. Like, nigga.
Nah, I told you that, bro. I told you that, bro. I told you that, bro.
Put that on something. Man, I'll push that on my cousin. So he's getting on himself.
So you gonna believe them, boy? Just look at them. They both got that dick look on their face. Puh. Sad, boy. They know they caught in that trap, man. I don't know who that nigga is in the back, but he look like he got murder on his mind. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And nigga listen to a lot of Y&W Melly, boy. I'm about to leave that boy alone. Woo, woo, woo. You gonna believe them boy out of all people?
Listen. Hey,
go back and watch the clip right now, G. I put that on my soul like 6 watch. I said, I'm wait till you get right here.
Black Michael Jackson Jack.
First of all,
but see, you got a Thriller jacket.
Your Jordans already too tight. The thing smothering your ankles. You might want to just leave me alone. Your pants still thick as fuck.
Man, that nigga Jordan.
They got some sweat jeans. They got some sweat jeans on.
Take that jacket off, bitch. Take that jacket off. Take the whole jacket off.
I know not.
Take it off. You know you're not supposed to be on my clothes.
That's what I thought this was, man. I'm trying to take me out my clothes.
Nah, cause we trying to help you.
Take that motherfucking jacket off. He built like a 50-year-old man. This is all he bad built.
First of all, your hat faded like a school shirt.
No!
You need to mind your business. You need to mind your business.
No.
You need to mind your business, son.
No.
Because I'm letting y'all have it today, but y'all been on me too much.
No.
I'm keeping the title, son. The thought was a game. I'm keeping my MVP, but what up?
Man, why your shirt so hard, son?
Son, why your chain not glistening, son? Plastic ass chain, where you going? I'm not playing, bro. I'm keeping my title, bro. This is not a joke, bro.
That boy say plastic, my brother.
I'm gonna say it in front of the camera. I'm gonna look at the camera and say, if you want me to buy you one, I will buy you one.
Go ahead.
I will buy you one.
Go
Which
ahead.
one you want?
Son, go ahead, buy me one, son.
Matter of fact, you can have it because I can buy another one.
I'm gonna mold that bitch to a spoon, eat my cereal with it, and get my next chain. What up?
They just said something about my pants already, you heard me? So what you keep looking at my pants for?
My brother, I give you $10 to pick your pants all the way up. Pick your pants up right now. I can pick them up. Man, pick them up. Man, come on, man. I knew you asked this for.
I'm asking. I knew you
Got money to blow.
Rubber band chain.
We had our one already.
What BP said?
BP said this boy got a rubber band chain.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Oh.
Boy, back up, boy. You too close, boy. Don't play on my nigga top. Real talk.
You ain't gotta see shit. You ain't gotta see shit.
We should have a diamond tester for it.
Which one y'all wanna hold it first? I ain't even gonna let it go. It's heavy. It is. Playing with me, son. Hold on. Wait a minute.
Not the watch.
Wait a minute.
Little real wild.
Not 60 minutes.
Stop playing with me, son. You wanna feel it too?
Brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
You wanna feel it too?
Pause.
Don't give a fuck.
That's a big pause.
I leave my shit alone then.
So we driving, son?
No, I'm not even tripping, but I'm just saying. Y'all keep getting on the same shit over and over again. Y'all leave it alone.
Alright, we doing you small t-shirt.
Oh.
Son,
You got something to say?
Oh, they said, look up.
I can pull mine out too.
Oh, no, we pulling our phones. We pulling our phones. Shoot. Wait, what happened?
That said you got on too much colors.
Oh.
Hey, that was
Ugly motherfucker. You look like a broke down Omar Epps, bitch. You ugly.
Wait a minute.
ugly.
I heard that John somewhere before. Let me think. Bitch, you look like Omar Epps. Epps.
Dang.
Stupid ass.
You see, we all right here, Johnny and the Jules, man. What the heck going on with them two right now, man?
No, not them two.
Man, y'all, every time we have a video, man, y'all just sit there staring at me.
No.
Side by side like the number 11.
I'm tired of getting on your small shirt. I'm tired of getting on G slippers. I'm tired of getting on P shoes.
Hey, man. Hey, man. What the fuck you coming from with them tight ass? Bigger than you. What you answer, my son?
They be tripping.
Man,
NASA spaceship. Potato head with the mustache.
No. No.
Them Jordans is too big for your face. Stop.
I know, no, G.
Got creases in them.
G, no.
What size them thing is? Yeah, they too small. Man, fuck all that. Man, smile for me one time. Now come here. Come here. Come here. Come close. Smile, nigga. Smile one more time. You smile. Look all that fucking black at the bottom of them teeth. Well, let's be honest, Took. Come on now, Took. She cool. Man, that shit is yellow. I told you, it's candy corns, man. we want pearly whites, not candy corns, man. Take that hood off, shoot. Take that hood off,
like I told you earlier, man.
Let me see it.
Hey, you said you had that good shit. You said you got that good shit, man. Nah, man. Hey, man, you said you got that good shit. You asked me to take mine off and I took it off.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
Nah, Took, come on now.
Now you gotta get on
B-Raw job. B-Raw job, bro.
You gotta get on that shit on your head.
B-Raw job.
Take that shit like
What the fuck is that?
no more.
I don't want you to spare, man. Come on, you know what I mean?
I'm not sparing no
We
more.
trying to turn the party up, man.
My brother, I'm not getting on him, bro. It's not worth it, bro.
You gotta get
If I get on everybody with them small shoes, plastic watch, baby Joker chain, little beanie, fucking. What else?
What else said baby Joker chain?
Like fuck.
Man, son, you still talking about it?
And that nigga almost bit my ear.
Wait a minute. He's still talking. Like I didn't just tell him on the other video, BP got more hair in his face than you, and he ain't even eating no pussy yet.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. That nigga feet.
And I know damn well you ain't talking. I know you're not laughing at what the fuck he's saying. That nigga got more shit in his face than you. And you a grown ass man with 29.
This is
like a Venus fly.
Hold on.
Look like you eat flies.
He's like you.
The boy just say you're lying about the 29, bro.
My brother, look.
You lying about that 29?
I ain't saying you was lying.
My brother, look.
You lying about that 29, man. Fuck that.
bro.
I said that.
Life too short to be wasting time lying to y'all, dude. Like, what am I lying for, bro?
Exactly, bro. What you lying to me for? You ain't got to lie to me, bro. You lying about that 29, man.
Let me tell you something.
I can go cop 30 right now. What up?
First he was 29.
Not Stephen Curry. Not Curry.
I can go cop 30 on me. Stop playing.
Not Curry.
Bro, shut your bitch ass up.
Boy got a fucking Coca-Cola jacket on.
Who got a Coca-Cola jacket on, bro?
Space in your mind, bro.
Who, Jared? That boy C got on a Coca-Cola jacket, my brother.
Now you see because you keep coming for me. You keep coming for me.
Swear to God, bro. I'm off the clip.
Put on your paw right now.
That's how you know it's lying. If you don't put on his paw, he lying, bro.
I'm gonna say it right now. My brother, I don't even say shit about you.
Put on your paw.
Man, you stupid bitch.
Put on your paw. If he don't put on his paw, he lying, bro.
He's not gonna put on his paw. If he don't put on his paw.
Look at me straight face. I swear I see shit.
Put on your paw.
Put on your paw.
Put it. Tell him put on his paw.
Come on, man. Look. That been my boss since we was in school, man.
Yeah, you know him, bro.
If he don't put it on his paw, he's not telling the truth.
So you lying to me?
He lied to you, man. Put it on
You
your
want me
paw.
to smash your beat?
Paw. Look at that smile and shit. Look. Come on, man.
Look him.
What you tripping? Nah, hey.
Now look him.
Relax.
But you know we ain't getting around here. We ain't on that funny shit. Oh, Joe, ball to the ball, yeah.
So we gotta take.
Boxing shoes and more your shit, ball. Leave it alone, ball.
Before you
Yeah,
get
ball.
my shit, all I said was the cameraman. I didn't say shit about you. I didn't say shit about you.
That's to get on you one time, my brother. That's to get on you one time, my brother. That's to get on you one time, my brother. Chill out, bro.
Fucking Nike socks in his 13.
Chill out, bro.
What up?
What is it?
Get that more these days.
Fucking blue Honda
All
shark.
right, then. Stop playing with me, son. 8 on my foot, son.
Who got some blue Honda Sharks, B? BP.
Just how the shoes go.
BP, who got some blue Honda Sharks?
Blue Honda shorts. You one nigga that got shorts on right here.
They working on you. Bitch, you see blue.
What's it?
That nigga got a chest jacket on like he worked there, but he don't.
He getting on me.
Nigga, you been getting on me, son. I'm gonna get on your ass,
He wasn't
son.
talking,
I'm
son.
gonna
B
get on
was
your ass, son. You
getting
like a fucking bag of charcoal, son. Stop playing, son.
Nah, he on the joke. Nigga eat rocks for snacks. Nigga suck on charcoal.
If I'm sucking on charcoal, that means I'm sucking on him because he black.
Paul.
Gay.
Pause. Whoa.
I didn't see that in no homo way. If any one of y'all niggas took that in no homo way, y'all all get. Put it that way.
Yeah.
Put it that way. Hey, I said what I said.
video is
Look what that camera is. That's not my cousin. That's my cousin.
That's my man just saw my brother.
Listen, I eat pussy, okay? I don't take dick.
Nobody's worried about spinning kids.
Stop playing. Stop playing. I don't play around like that, son.
Nigga, a straight jacket.
Hold on. Did I just hear a grown man just say, you just said that shit?
Hey,
He just told Cam. No, it's
Listen, B just told Cam. Oh yeah, bro, show him what that tongue do.
Gay ass niggas.
Man, what the fuck?
What? Yeah, I heard you. Hey, doing it like I ain't.
That's why y'all niggas so fucking close, huh?
Hey, what the fuck you? What the fuck was you making all that shit on?
Not the butt buddies.
You've been knowing me for
Butt buddies.
You've been knowing me for years. Your homeboy not gonna lie to you now. Your homeboy not gonna lie to you.
He may not know.
Who got a blue popsicle shirt, B?
Come on now.
Put on your pop.
Hey, come on, that camera, man, bro.
Tell him put on your pop.
I said no.
Put on your pop.
I didn't say
Put on your pop. Put on your pop. Why you gonna sit down with the washing titties you got on, bro? What's wrong with you, son? You like trying to juice on the side, so you just like these two niggas right here.
BP built like a kite, son.
Hey, B and Cam got a 2 for $5 deal at Burger King. B pants and Cam chain.
Yeah, that was a good one. That was a good one.
I told you, man, I'm gonna Cam.
That's all you
They don't get on me, I ain't gonna get on them. But if they get on me, it is what it is.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, speaking of that, what you had said about Jared?
First off, what?
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
You don't come at me like that, boy. You don't come at me
Yeah,
like
what you had said about Jared?
Jared kids don't come at me like
Yeah, man, I'm just saying, man, don't be speaking like that, though, man.
Hey, but you see what I'm saying?
No!
What that nigga said, son?
Hey, boy, looking at
No, man, boss talking down bad on your name, man.
Yeah, just say, I want you to be honest, though.
Hold on.
What you said about me, just
my brother. I don't remember my brother playing
what I'm saying, though, my nigga, how you speak on some shit and you know nothing about it, son? What you mean?
That boy talking about with the big pants.
Man, I'm saying, though, my brother, like, I'm serious, like, what you said about me, son?
Oh, what you talking about, bro?
Now the nigga playing stupid, though, like, Sav, you know,
He got
Sav
amnesia.
told me, yeah, nigga got amnesia now. No, shit, get real, nigga, get amnesia.
He got amnesia.
I'm not scared of a nigga. I'm not scared of a nigga with some pants like that on.
I'm saying, though, like, Sav,
99 problem, but the pants they on.
Say like a man. You heard me? What you
Oh,
saying?
G, I don't have time to talk about it.
Man, I'm saying, though, my brother, why Sav go to Sav not no hoe like that. Sav not go lie to me.
I'm about to find out right now.
Hold up, man, be quiet, son.
Hey, hold up.
Hey, boy, check you like you a child. Hey, boy, check you like you a child, boy.
I'm asking you like a man, though, bro. Like, what you
G, my brother, I don't have time to talk about
So you ain't speaking on my name, huh?
G, I ain't got time to talk about another man.
I'm just making sure, bro, because you heard me, Sav said some shit, and I did tell y'all that. You heard me? I told you that, and
But what you told me?
man,
G,
I mean, I'm not gonna
talk
say it in
like
front
that?
of them, bro, but I'm just saying, you heard me, Sav said some shit. And I'm trying to figure out if you really said that. If you gonna speak on my name,
I
bro,
see
say it.
straight through that, G.
What you,
I see straight through that.
I'm saying, like, what you mean?
Like, bro, yo, bro, what?
So I'm saying,
Bro, I ain't got time to talk about another grown ass.
You sure,
man.
huh?
I'm a grown
I'm just
ass.
making sure, nigga.
Where the fuck you went?
Making sure, son. I'm just wrong, my brother.
Not gonna But you kind of jumped at the me a little bit. You on the side, though, though.
You was just in the way. And if any nigga in the way, I got
Yeah, I feel that, but you kind of disrespected me a little bit, too.
I'm just saying.
So if that wasn't me, that boy would have went ham, man. Niggas scared of each other, son, man, for real. We just talking about us, y'all scared of each other. We just fuck each other.
But why you doing all that?
Man, let that happen. He told you that, but you would have went dumb behind this, but never.
Man, calm down, my brother.
Calm down. Come on,
Hey, I'm not even gonna stunt. You heard what that man said? That man said that was my fault. I didn't mean to come at you like that. What you would have said? If that was you, what you would have said?
Nigga been mad now, to slap the shit out of him. No! I'm just saying, like, slap with all that message shit, my brother.
Oh!
See, I'm untouched.
Lord! That man said he untouched.
that message shit. That's how a nigga get slapped the fuck out of, bro.
Untouched.
Call my brother, nigga told me some shit. And they been on my mind, but I waited, you heard me? And I can't hold that shit in no more, bro. I'm just saying, bro.
Man, I'ma say it. We was talking about you.
Man,
Nah.
what the fuck you was saying, nigga?
I said your shoes was big. I said your slides was dirty. I said your socks was too damn tight. I see your toenails.
Talking about some real shit.
Words ain't slapped me. A nigga hand ain't slapped me. A nigga nothing slapped me.
I like that.
Wait, yeah, we all climbing around right now. Look, I got it.
Come about it. Hold on. I'm saying, what you trying to say?
Man, I'm just saying for who. No! They was gonna slap me. I'm untouched. That's all I'm saying. I'm untouched. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm untouched. We good?
What you want to do? You want to do something?
Is we good?
No, I'm mad. I asked if you want to do something. He asked me if we good. What you want to do something?
Do you?
Man, that's what you want to do. Man, come on, man.
True. But about to fight in the car.
You think
Anyway, y'all, that's it for today's video, bro. As you can see, things got feisty, bro, real fast. I wonder what's gonna happen next video. Get this to at least 130 likes and I'm gonna drop it. If you don't want to smash that like button, bro, I'm gonna make you smash that like button, bro. Here's a sneak peek of the next Raw Uncut vlog. Ooh. Play the clip.
I should have just said you was sucking me, my brother. What?
I don't want you to edit out nothing, not even what he just said. I just said. Man, you just brought that shit up again after I just told you I do not get down like this, man. After I just told you that.
I'm gonna say this one more time and I'm done. What this is right here? A fucking camera. If you can't take a joke, get off the fucking camera.
You really feel like I get down like that, son? You can step in the street there, son.
As y'all can see, things got feisty again. Y'all gonna get this to at least 30 likes or what, bro? Come on, man. Y'all wanna see the next video or what? I'm gonna post it, bro. But alright, y'all, that's it for today's video, bro. I love y'all so much. It's most importantly, hit that subscribe button, notification bell to join Team Savage. Come on, what, Savage? I'm gonna see y'all next video, bro. And always remember, bro, you can make it if you try. Real talk. It's JSAVTOONICE. Dumb. It's JSAVTOONICE.
Going dumb.